December 23rd, T to G indoor golf facility. This will be our front lobby. We'll have retail and coffee. This is our lounge wall or area. And these are going to be the hitting bays. Just now getting some lights put in. And we got one screen put up and tested. Works great. And this is the third bay, and then the fourth bay is this bay back here. This is our pour my beer wall and another larger lounge area. And then the back of the house has a data center, 2 bathrooms, as we're getting done next week, and a walk-in cooler area.